Hi, my name is Bailey Nichols. I'm from the Enid 4-H Club, and today I decided to make a popsicle stick catapult since we're all stuck inside. So, what you will need for the popsicle stick catapult is 7 popsicle sticks, 5 rubber bands, 1 spoon, and some ammo. First, start by getting 5 of your popsicle sticks and putting them together, and put 1 rubber band on this side and 1 rubber band on the other side. Next, you're going to want to put 1 rubber band on one side. Now what you're going to want to do is put the stack of 5 in the middle of these two. Now you're going to want to put a rubber band in the middle to make it more sturdy. Now attach your spoon to your catapult. And here's your finished product. You can add some markers or paint to add a little color. Get some cups to make some targets. Find your kit at the OX2 Extension office in the front door. Thanks for watching and have a good day.